Hello everyone and welcome to my new video. In today's video I want to be showing you how that you can use VMOS from the weakest phone or Android phone that you have. Even if you have 1 GB of memory RAM, or if you have 510 MB of memory RAM, you can use this VMOS Pro Lite, super light version that I bring to you guys. How many gigabytes that you have, the less or more than this, you can use this VMOS room easily with the roads included on it. So before we do the process, guys, make sure to subscribe on my channel, hit the bell icon to get notified when I upload new videos, and let's get started. Make sure to follow the all steps, guys. Okay, so as I said before, let's go to the settings and make some changes. Let's click on settings, and then let's go down here and to the system. After that, let's go in about phone. Then we're going to look for build number, and if you find the build number, let's click it at 7 times. Okay, once we click it 7 times, on build number, let's introduce our pin here. This is my case. If you don't have a pin, lock it by a pin, you don't need to do it. So here we're going back one, and then we're going to look for developer option here. Let's look for the developer option here. This is developer option right away here, so let's click on it. So guys, let's be really be careful on this side, guys. Let's really be careful, because anything here that you change, it will harm your device. So watch the video carefully and let's do it. So now let's enable here USB debugging mode. Let's enable it and click OK. Let's here force full GNSS including, let's enable. Okay, then let's enable here as well, enable GPU debug layers. Okay, let's go down here, let's go down, and in here Windows animation scale, let's put it off. And here as well, transition animation scale, let's put off, and animation duration scale, let's put off. Okay, and here don't forget to activate here and enable this for GPU rendering mode. Okay, once with this all, we are ready to install the VMOS Pro. Okay, let's go back, guys. Before we do the process, guys, before we install the VMOS Pro, I'm going to show you that my phone is not rooted by opening the root checker here. Okay, really quickly show you that my phone is not rooted. I will verify root here. Do not say that my phone has root access and those kind of thing. As you can see, guys, my phone doesn't have a root access. So let's download and install the VMOS Pro from the link that I will leave in the description, guys. This is a really light version, the VMOS Lite version. So I have already installed it in my phone, so you download it and install the VMOS Pro Lite. Okay, once you install it, the VMOS Lite Pro, once you install it, sometimes it shows up it will be blocked by when we are installing, so you can click on install anywhere. So let's after we install it, let's open it. Okay, let's open it. As you can see, guys, this is asking some here. It's asking me some to make some changes. So let's click on continue. So let's set up and click allow here. Go back and phone again, allow here. Let's give all permission that is asking us and continues. Alright, perfect, guys. As you can see, it's opening here. So it's installing the ROM to ACESS VMOS Lite. Really fast and easy. You can even play Freefire on it. You can play Pubg. You can do whatever you want in this ROM. It's light, but it's really useful. As you can see guys, my VMOS Pro Lite, it's now open it and it's now launch it. Really easy to use this VMOS. Okay guys, so now I'm going to show you, and please follow me to show you how to make it more faster than it is. So let's click on the settings now. First of all, we're going to activate it here that we're going to give permission root is not enable it a root, so we're going to enable root here, and once we enable it root, you can restart it now. It's asking me to restart, or I'm going to restart later. Okay, so you can restart now. I'm going to restart later. Let's go, and then we are going here on the system settings. Okay, once we're here, let's go down here in about phone, and let's click on build number around 7 times as we did before. So once we're here, you are now developer option. Once we're here, let's go in developer option, let's click on it, and let's go and enable some changes here, and let's make some changes here, as let's enable USB debug mode as we did before. Okay, so let's give the Windows animation style off and transition off and animator off. Okay, so a GPU rendering, let's enable it. What more? That's all guys. Now you have your VMOS Pro Lite, okay, to be used guys. As you can see guys, it's really easy and fast. You can download anything that you want from the browser, or you can back up and you can put your files here guys. As you can see, it's really easy, and thanks for watching this video guys. If you have any doubts, comment down there, and don't forget to subscribe on my channel, hit the bell icon to get notified when I upload new videos, and like the video, and see you on the next video.